Man, I mean, a couple things. I mean, I've always been pretty like handy and can make stuff, and got my own garage full of tools. And so the process, I mean, any fast spinning blade involved in some type of process is just thrilling. So it's cool to just be at the factory and hear the sounds and smell the smells. Um, brand wise, there's two really powerful points about this. One is people love to see that stuff because it's evidence that this is this is this has been made by people in a place. It's real, and like, I think the word authenticity is probably a little overused, but it's this, you can touch it, and it's you can see that it's not just like, it just doesn't appear like it goes through all this stuff. And that's fascinating to see that and appreciate that, work goes into this and there's humans involved. I think that's so important. um, so that's one thing, is just showcasing that process on, for the brand on social media and then on web, is really powerful, just to generate, brand affinity or whatever the words you want to put around it. I mean, people just love it. And it's saying we're here. You can kind of tell a big story by showing a small piece of a machine. We're here, we're present. The other aspect for me working on the brand is we've had these scenarios where we can go down there and design a pencil in real time with everything available in the factory. And this is a designer's dream, because to get to touch and see and feel all the elements is not something we get to do every day. You can go to a printer and kind of fill paper and things like that. But to say, okay, let's use this pencil with this core because I like the way it writes today. And this is the paint you have in stock, but let's use this foil. Let's see what foils you have in stock. This one's cool. What about this ferrule? The ferrule is a metal piece that holds the eraser. Do you have any copper ones? What about silver? Oh, what color erasers do we have? Blue's cool, yellow's cool, whatever. And so it's like you're inside of a big Lego kit that's designed to make pencils. So
Uh,
exciting, so hard not to get overwhelmed with all the options, but you can really efficiently generate a new product, when you can be in the space, that makes it. So that's the other thing that's just super exciting as a designer.